Alright, so in this video, we're going to be showing you how to check your shipping costs on Allchinabuy. So first, you're going to have to open your browser and log into your Allchinabuy account. And once you're in, you then land on your homepage. So now, from here, you simply have to look for the track icon on the page. So simply hover over it and you then have to click on Shipping Calculator. And once you're on the Shipping Calculator, the first thing you have to do is simply choose the country where you want to ship the item. So they already have a list of supported countries, so let's say you're shipping to Canada. So now you then need to input some specifics about the product you want to ship. So you'll be asked for the weight in grams, the dimensions, which is in length, width and height. So for example, if the product weighs 200 grams and has the following dimensions: length 15 centimeters, width 10 centimeters and height 5 centimeters. Simply fill those details in and you're good to go. So next, you then need to select the item category. So simply click on the drop down to choose what type of product it is. For instance, if it's a digital or electrical product, simply select that category. And if it has a battery, make sure to check that as well. And once you fill out everything, you then have to click check now, and the system will then take a few seconds to process the information. But once everything is processed, the shipping calculator will then show you different shipping options available for your product. This usually includes the delivery type, estimated delivery time, shipping rate, bowling method, and item limit. So you'll then be able to see exactly how much it will cost you to ship your product with all the details in front of you. So that's how to check your shipping details on Allchinabuy. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.